Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, today I've got yet another great vegan recipe. This is going to be a soup. It's super easy to make, and just like diners, drive-ins, and dives, it's got a backstory. A couple months ago, my wife said to me, "Boy, I really like this immunity soup that I get from Sunset Foods, and I bet you could make it." So I look up a recipe online. I try it. Wasn't quite what I wanted. Played with it a couple of times, and finally I've got what I'm going to show you here today. A great, easy, quick recipe that tastes delicious. I know you're going to love it. And there's not a lot of ingredients. There's a sweet potato, a little ginger, garlic, red lentils, turmeric, smoked paprika, an onion, some lemon juice, vegetable broth. I like to make it from a bouillon, chickpeas, kale torn up, and a little bit of oil to cook the veggies in. Anyway, the recipe couldn't be easier. After cutting up the onions, you just cook them in the pot for about 8 minutes to cook them down. Then adding in the ginger and turmeric for a minute, the spices for a minute, and throwing everything else into the pot for about 20 minutes. So let's get started. Alrighty, so through the magic of turning the camera off and turning it back on, I'm back. I've diced the onions. I've sweated them down for 8 minutes so they're nice and clear. And I've minced the garlic, I've minced the ginger, and I've cut up the sweet potatoes, as well as rinsing the red lentils, tearing up the kale, it was torn up before, emptying and rinsing off the chickpeas. Now I've done a lot of my kitchen work with the help of my very, very handy mandolin. I love it as a fabulous tool. But now that these onions are ready, simply just put in the garlic and ginger. And we just let this cook down for just about a minute as it gets aromatic. Yeah, boy, I will tell you, such an easy recipe, and boy, does it taste great. I really hope that you guys will try it, along with all the other videos from earlier this year, and the full year last year was all vegan recipes. Super easy, super tasty. I hope you guys will try it. Well, it's been about a minute. So now we're going to add in the turmeric and the paprika. And again, just going to kind of let that cook for just about a minute so it gets aromatic. You can smell it. And at that point, everything else gets thrown into the pool, as I like to say. And then it just simmers. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes, and it's ready to go. So again, all this stuff can be found at your regular grocery store. A lot of it you probably already have in your house. Now remember, I encourage you to go to www.sternchiro.com. Check out my 25 years of health and wellness newsletters on all different kinds of health and wellness topics. Again, last year and up until now this year, all vegan cooking recipes. But I've got a ton of information in newsletters on meditation, on deep breathing, on stress management, on health, just a variety of topics that can benefit you and your kids. So this is ready to go, and we're just going to, dump everything else in. Chickpeas, the lemon juice, the sweet potatoes, the lentils. They're a little hard to get out of here only because they were rinsed. and then they'll clump up. But they really make the soup, along with the sweet potatoes, very, very creamy. The 6 cups of vegetable broth. And the kale. Now, the recipe calls for 2 cups of kale. I love kale, so I've definitely used more than 2 cups, but use whatever you like. Add it to your heart's desire. It can only add to the flavor and the taste when it's all done. So now I'm going to bring it to a boil, take it down to a simmer, and let it cook with the lid on for 20 minutes. And I'll see you back shortly. All right, well, I'm back. The soup is ready, and boy, it looks great. Just as a reminder, I encourage you all to go to www.sternchiro.com. Check out our 25 years of health and wellness newsletters there for you to explore. And please, if you like these recipes, if you like what you find on the website, share it with your friends, share it with your families. I'm going to just have a little taste of this because it looks so good, but it is hot. Oh, man, that is good. Well, I hope you have a fabulous month, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Peace.